Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Garmin Edge 1030. First, power on your device by holding the power button for a few seconds. You'll then be guided through initial setup, including language and basic profile information. Next, pair your smartphone via the Garmin Connect app and connect any external sensors like heart rate monitors or speed sensors. Finally, customize your data screens to display your preferred metrics, ensuring a personalized and efficient riding experience right from the start. Navigating with your Edge 1030 is straightforward. You can create courses directly on the device or import them from platforms like Garmin Connect. Once loaded, simply select your course and follow the clear, turn-by-turn directions provided on the vibrant 3.5-inch display. The preloaded Garmin Cycle Map offers detailed routing, helping you explore new roads and trails with confidence, ensuring you always stay on track during your rides. The Edge 1030 is a powerful training partner. It tracks essential metrics like speed, distance, and elevation, and when paired with sensors, heart rate, and power. Utilize advanced features such as Group Track to see where your riding buddies are, or challenge yourself with Strava Live segments. After your ride, upload your data to Garmin Connect for in-depth analysis, helping you understand your performance and plan future training effectively. To maximize your Garmin Edge 1030's lifespan, remember a few key tips. Its battery provides up to 20 hours of ride time, so charge it regularly. Keep your device's software updated through Garmin Express to access the latest features and improvements. Consider accessories like a Varia radar for enhanced safety or an external battery pack for extended adventures, ensuring your device is always ready for your next journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.